Hello and welcome to What's Up Boss. My name is Manch and I'm in Angan restaurant in Dermot. Classy restaurant, Bollywood theme. Come check it out. I'm here today. The team is here today. Why? Because the sensation behind Baby Doll Lovely, the singer, Baby Doll Miss Mehdi, is Kanika Kapoor. We are interviewing her in 2 minutes. Stay there. Do not go anywhere.
But you're the one I miss, and I keep on working. I can see that the trees are calling back the leaves. Sunday was a shattering day, but I keep on working.
Alright, I have Kanika Kapoor with us. Kanika, welcome to What's Up Boss.
Thank you. Thank you.
How do you feel being in Melbourne?
Actually, it's a different experience. I was very excited, when I heard that I was going to Australia, and I think it's a very short trip. 1 day is not enough, right?
You need more days.
I think I need a week,
Yeah.
but I'll come back soon. You're calling me back.
Yes, definitely we are calling Kanika. And next song, which is whenever your next song is coming out.
Yeah. Now.
You're touring. So your name Kanika, it's very unique. What is the meaning of your name?
I think if you go down Sanskrit, it's different. If you go modern day, it's got a couple of meanings. But the one that my grandmother said, that it's as beautiful as a diamond or something like that.
Okay.
But, yeah, it's just got a couple of meanings.
Bollywood के कपूर का तो आपका कोई relation नहीं है ना कि है? Because it's Kapoor.
नहीं, मेरा तो कोई relation. I'm a Kapoor myself. I'm in Bollywood, so I don't know. Not with the ones
You're Kapoor. Kanika Kapoor is Kanika Kapoor.
I come from my own big family. So.
All right. And recently your song Lovely was a smash hit. As you can see your camera अपने Sandy Bhai, you can pan it to Shah Rukh Khan. His song, his movie song, Lovely feature on.
But I have to say, I have to give the credit to Deepika.
Deepika.
Come on.
She's still there. She's also there.
Not Shah Rukh. It has to be
Shah
Deepika.
Rukh's movie, but Deepika.
Deepika Shah Rukh's movie, because I think the way she's danced and the way she is in that video is what's really made that song even larger.
It's got an Arabic feel to it as well.
Yeah.
So our team has found that you recently were touring with Shah Rukh and the entire crew. Happy New Year.
Yeah.
In a jet with Honey Singh and everybody. So how was that experience? Did you actually sleep or what is it?
No, I think we didn't. It was almost 2.5, 3 weeks of hectic. It was a lot of fun. But we used to be on a flight almost, I think, every day or every other day, depending on
Schedule.
And no, we never really slept.
So what was the moment which you want to share with us?
Play games and chat and talk about each other. It was very nice actually. Everybody was very normal and there's a lot of learning there's a lot to learn from Shah Rukh. Very intelligent, very wise man.
A pretty face with a pretty voice. You have a modeling history as well. So tell us about that.
Well, talking about my voice, I grew up in Lucknow and I studied music, classical vocal for 12 years. And that's where the voice comes from. And modeling, I won't really say I'm a model or I was a model, but I was very closely associated with a lot of big brands, fashion brands. And fashion is something that I just have always been involved with for fun. Really. Living in London, traveling so much in Europe. But I have to say, I walked the ramp for Alberta Ferretti, which was a lot of fun, and attended a lot of fashion weeks, a lot of front shows, mainstream shows. It's a lot of fun still doing that, and something which is a part of me. I'm a creative person, and I'm drawn towards everything which is creative. That's where it comes from.
So which song describes you the best as a person?
You know that everybody associates me with Baby Doll because it's the song that I've done, but for me, very deeply, I love the song. It's a very old song, a classic called "Aane Wala Pal Jaane Wala Hai, Ho Sake To Isme Zindagi Bita Do, Pal To Ye Jaane Wala Hai." So I love that.
So Baby Doll, if this song was released 30 years ago, how would you sing it now? How can you sing that? मतलब 30 साल पहले होता था. Different emotions.
Oh baby doll मैं सोने दी, oh baby doll मैं सोने दी.
That was really classic. Baby Doll का.
I would be more like, oh baby doll. I would be like that.
That was the classic version. अभी निकला है. Watch this. ये अभी रिलीज हुआ है. अभी किसके पास नहीं है? हमारे पास है सिर्फ. Any specific artist, Desi or international, you want to work with?
So many.
You can name some.
I won't name any, but there's so many artists I could and I will work with, and I'm trying, but there's not one or two, so that's why there's no point naming, because there's so many artists. I'm fond of so many different artists from different genres, from different parts of the world, and for me, I want to actually collaborate with different cultures and different countries and different, languages as much as I can. So that's something I want to do.
Okay, so are you working on something new?
Yeah, loads.
You want to share with us something which is you can, like it's come to that level where you can share something.
Well, I can talk about Bollywood. I have a lot of great work coming up in movies like Roy, which is out in Jan, my song. It's again a dance item number. And it's with Jacqueline and Ranbir. Then we have in a movie Leela with Sunny Leone, again an item number. Oh God. I need to stop these item numbers, but
It's working.
then it's working. But no, I'm not just doing item numbers. I have a lot of other soulful music coming up, folk music coming up. I love Sufi, so it's a lot in the pipeline.
Okay.
In the first half of the year, there's loads of music that I've been just sitting quietly in my den working on songs.
That's good. And as you said, you're from Lucknow, you're born there, you're raised there.
Yeah.
So any moments you want to share, fondest moments you want to share, or anything? Since you said you're from Lucknow, you can sing a song in Lucknowi style as well. Do you mind that?
Talking about Lucknow, I truly feel that I am what I am because of what that city has given me. It truly is the capital of, the cultural capital of our country. There's so much tehzeeb, जिस तरीके से हम, बात करते हैं, जिस तरीके से हम हर जो भी अदा है, like I just feel that the whole it's a very polite way of speaking from there, and everything we had a very simple upbringing, and it's given me a lot. I am who I am because of the way I was brought up, and the city has a lot to do with that.
That's good.
The culture of the city, yeah.
That's the way. Now we'll get to know our next section, which is the rapid fire.
Okay.
And it's quick questions, you just answer.
Sure.
And yeah, so are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Brace yourself.
Okay.
Okay, which actor do you think has a good voice? Just name him.
Salman.
Okay. Alright.
I think he tries.
Yeah, that's good. The Hangover was good. What if you had to go on a date with a sports celebrity? Who would you choose and why?
I can't tell you.
Okay, next one. Let's say if you have the last $50 of your life, how would you spend it?
I'll give it away in charity.
If you are on an island and you have just one person, who could join with you? Who would that be?
An island.
Just an island and you have only one person to choose. Who would that be?
My son.
Alright. What's his name?
Yuvi.
Yuvi, okay. Now, what if you woke up one day and found that you sound like a guy? Which Desi actor would you sing for?
पहले तो मैं सुनाऊंगी. Which actor would I sing for? Shah Rukh. My favorite, of course.
So you've heard
Who
it,
else?
Shah Rukh Khan, and
Who else? I mean, no one.
he's the Khan.
He's
the King Khan.
Of course.
All right, thank you so much for coming to our show, What's Up Oz, and it's really nice to have you in Melbourne as well in the show.
Thank you.
And I hope you luck and success for your next future albums.
Thank you so much.
And thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you.
So that was Kanika Kapoor for you people, and this is What's Up Oz. मैं यही हूँ, मैं कहानी जाने वाला हूँ. We'll be coming with more shows, lots coming in. Keep watching. See you later.
Hi, this is Kanika Kapoor, and you're watching What's Up Oz. Like, share, and subscribe.